Welcome to Bloggingify guys, and in this video I will guide you how you can purchase Ultimate Post Kit Pro plugin for your WordPress website from Bloggingify store. So let's get started. So first open or any browser and type for Bloggingify store. Don't worry, I will share you the direct product link in the description box. So just click on the description link and you will redirect on the direct product page. Okay, so here you can see we have lots of WordPress themes and plugins with automatic update from your WordPress dashboard. We don't sell cracked and null in the name of original. We set 100% genuine original item so that you will receive automatic update from your WordPress dashboard. So if you need anything else, so just click on this search icon and type what you need. Basically in this video we'll talk about ultimate post kit. So here you can see we have lots of items with ultimate names. Okay, so in this we'll talk about ultimate post kit pro activation with original license key, and here's the pricing in USD $15 and uses for one domain, update validity, lifetime auto update, installation manually we will install. That means you have to share your website temporary access with us and we will install your license in a few minutes. Okay, that's a simple process. License type original license key we have, so you will receive automatic update from your WordPress dashboard. So if you want to purchase this one, so just click on this add to cart button, and if you are from India you can select INR currency, and if you from outside of India, you can stay with USD currency. Okay, so let me show you here with INR currency. So I select INR and here's the pricing. Now click on add to cart button. Now click on checkout button. And now here you can see you have to fill your billing information. There your first name, last name, WhatsApp number, email address, and so on. Okay, so if you from India, you can select cash free and phone pay payment solution, and if you outside of India you can select just PayPal, and I have read and agree to the website terms and condition and confirm your payment. Okay, after the payment confirmation you will redirect on this type of thank you page, and here you can see a download button. So just click on this download button and you will receive our premium contact support there. So just share your website temporary access with us and we will install your product in a few minutes. Okay, that's our simple process. So I hope guys you love this video and tutorial too. So thank you so much guys for watching this video.